Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will guide you on how to do picture-in-picture on PC or laptop. It's very simple to able watching video while typing or working. Let's start. We can open YouTube video on our browser. On the video screen you can right-click. Then right-click once again and select picture-in-picture. A small video screen will appear on your screen. You can drag it wherever you want. You can open your work document. Now, you can work while watching videos at the same time. You can also adjust the screen size according to your needs. It's really nice, right? Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you on the next one.